Masruq says, we were sitting in the company of Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu, and he radiyallahu anhu was lying amongst us. Meanwhile, a man came and said, O Abu Abdul Rahman, at Kindan Gates, a storyteller is stating, and he presumes that the words of the smoke in the Quran is about the smoke which is about to come, and it will hold the infidels' breath, and the believers will be affected by it as if they had contracted influenza. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu thereupon sat upright in anger and said, O people, fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Whoever of you knows about something should narrate it, and whoever of you does not know about something must say Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows the best. For it is also an aspect of enlightenment to say, I do not know. If one does not know anything, undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said to his Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say you, I ask of you no wage for this Quran, nor am I of those who affect. Surah Sa'ad, verse 86. Undoubtedly, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw people turning their backs to the religion, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, impose on them 7 years like the 7 years of Hazrat Yusuf times. Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu said, then the famine struck them, and everything got depleted, and they consumed even hides and carrions. When someone of them would look at the sky, he would only see something like smoke. Then Abu Sufyan visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Muhammad, undoubtedly you have come to command to obey Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and reinforce the ties of kinship, and your people have perished. Invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in their favor. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, translation, therefore wait you the day when the sky will bring a clear smoke, that it shall cover the people. This is a painful torment. You will again do the same. Surah Dukhan, verse 10 to 15. He radiyallahu anhu said, will the torment in the hereafter be removed from them? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, the day when we will seize the greatest seizing. Verily we are to take vengeance. This seizing means the battle of Badr, whereas the signs of the smoke, the seizing, holding the Quraysh captives in the battle of Badr, and the defeat of the Romans have already occurred. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6997.